During this video, we're going to show you and demonstrate how to find the center point of a square, the center point of a circle, and how to draw a circle through 3 points and find the center point of it. So the first thing we're going to want to do to find the center of a square is to trace 4 lines, which in this case I made more or less 5 centimeters long, and make sure that they're all the same length and that it's a perfectly equal square, which is by definition what it must be. Then we're going to want to make 2 lines from each corner and make a type of X inside of the square that we already built. So we do that through the use of the ruler, so we get the most accurate center point possible. And then the remaining intersection in the middle of the 2 lines will be known as the center point of the square, and that's what we had to find. And also through the use of a protractor, we can find that each side of the square must be equal to 180 degrees, because the square, if we trace a line in the middle, should be 360 degrees all along the way. And so that's how we find the center. And to make sure that it's correctly done and, well, to make sure that it's good, we just measure 180 degrees on each side and add everything up to check for it to be 360 degrees. It is also worth mentioning that in each of the segments that you found in the square, each one should have a 90-degree angle to each side. So the first thing we're going to want to do
is to have 3 points that don't pass through each other. After that, we're going to have to draw the lines connecting the 3 dots. Once you have that, you take the protractor and you open it a little bit wider than half the length of the line by putting the tip of your protractor on the dot. With that done, you're gonna make 2 arcs on each side of the line. This is gonna be done for each one of the dots, going from both sides. Once you draw all of these arcs, there will be parts where the lines are gonna that the new arcs are gonna connect. In the middle of these arcs, you're gonna have to draw a new line segment until it reaches another one of the arcs. You do this for both arcs, and with the 2 new line segments, there's gonna be a midpoint. That midpoint where they intersect, it's the center of the circle that you're gonna draw. Once you have that center of the circle, you're gonna put your protractor in, open it as soon until you reach the points, one of the original points that you have, and then after reaching those original points, you're gonna draw a circle, and like that, you're gonna have a circle that passes through 3 points.
At this point in the video, we're connecting all of the segments that we just built, and we're making an X in the center in order to find the center point and for it to be easier and more visible to everyone watching. As we can see, in the intersection of the 2 lines that we just found is the center point of the square. And now what we're going to want to do is take the protractor, open it about a little bit less than halfway, and then start making the circle along the way, with the center point being like the reference for the compass. And we're just going to finish doing the circle. In this way, we will have built a circle through 3 points, and we will also have found the center point of it. In conclusion, during this video we have learned how to find the center point of a square, which is pretty easy, just making 2 crosses inside of a square, and the intersection would be the center point. And we have also found how to find the center of a circle, and how to draw a circle through 3 points through the use of different line segments. This all has a very practical use and will be very useful to know in case of more practical exercises and for the future. Thank you very much.